In this era where everyone's looking for your information, your competitors, your friends, your neighbors are looking for information in this advanced world, we have to be able to check our phones regularly to see if somebody is tracking our activities or they are receiving our calls, getting information about us. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your phone have been hacked. So please follow me to the end of the video and smash the subscribe button to get more. Okay, so what you're going to learn in this video, you're going to, first of all, when your phone is missing, you can use your IMEI number to track it, no matter where it is. So you have to know your IMEI number. So how to check the IMEI number? You're going to dial *#06#. So you see, when you type your IMEI, type that, you see your IMEI number over there. So with that IMEI number, you can track your phone no matter where it is. And so please kindly write it down somewhere, okay, so that you don't forget. Now I'm going to show you some code that I'm going to use to track all the activities on your phone to see if someone is hacking your phone. So the first code is *#06#. Sorry, star two. Sorry, *#21#. So you see, and you said MMI code static. You can see call forwarding, voice not forwarding, fax not forwarding, sync not forwarded. So you see, my call is forwarding. That means someone has hacked the call side. So yeah, what you have to do is go to factory resets and click on it. It will clear everything. So, okay, another code to check again to make sure that everything is intact is *#62#. So you see, MMI code started again. See the same results. You see call forwarding, voice not forwarded, fax not forwarded. All the other things are not forwarded, but the call is forwarded. That means someone is listening to my calls and that stuff. So I'll just go to settings, go to factory resets, then I'm done. Now I'll be tracking the phone again. Please hit the subscribe button and give us a like. Thanks for watching the video.